Alrighty, so we're going to be installing the iON sync in these New Balance Minimus. These are like circa 2010 or 12, pretty old school. And we're going to be installing it right here, which lines up with the diagram. And we use the skive tool to shave that lug off right there. Put the shoe upside down on the block anvil and get it lined up right there. Take the hole punch, line it up, and just give it a few good whacks. We can use this hole depth gauge. What we do is we put our finger on the hole on the inside, and then we feed this through from the outside until it hits our finger. So there we go, it's hitting our finger. And then we look at which size that is. It's pointing at the blue, so that's a medium. And that's the size we're using, size medium, right here, as it says on the instructions. And again, we just feed that through from the inside to the outside and pull and wiggle that through till the barb pulls through. And then we take our scissors and we cut right there on the cut indicator line. And there we go. Got ourselves a pair of rounded New Balance Minimus.